Hi guys! Today we're going to be making the perfect sabudana khichdi. You can see that in this one the pearls are non-sticky and it is very delicious. So let's begin. The first ingredient that we need is sabudana. This sabudana has been soaked overnight. The first step is that you need to wash the sabudana very well. After soaking, you will see that the pearl is very soft. When you press it, it should not be hard. To do this, you need to soak your sabudana in water. You take 1 cup sabudana, in that you add 3/4 cup of water. In the morning, I just leave it in a sieve, so if there is some excess water, it will get eliminated. I'm transferring the sabudana into a parat. To this, I'm adding some crushed peanuts. You mix the crushed peanuts well. I'm adding some kala namak, some regular salt or senda namak, some sugar, mix this well. Now in a kadhai, take some oil. Just ensure that you're taking a heavy bottom kadhai. To this I'm adding some jeera, some curry leaves, some potato. This is boiled potato. Mix it well. Some green chili, some ginger. I am using grated ginger here. Now to this I am going to be adding my sabudana plus peanut mixture. At this point you need to cook this on low flame. Make sure that your flame is not high and you have to ensure that you're using a heavy bottom kadhai. So I didn't realize that my kadhai was slightly thin. So midway I have actually changed my kadhai. You need to continue mixing it continuously. After it is properly mixed, you need to cover it and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, you can check the sabudana once. So here you can see that the pearls have started becoming transparent. After this, I'm adding some chopped coriander. Here you can see that I've changed my kadhai to a heavier kadhai so that my sabudana doesn't stick to the bottom. You have to continuously keep on mixing it. Mixing is very important to ensure that your sabudana is non-sticky. Last and the very important ingredient is lime juice. Add some fresh lime juice. Mix it well. After adding the lime juice, do not cook it for very long because lime can become bitter when it's cooked. And the sabudana khichdi is now ready to be served. So I am going to be serving it. I'm garnishing it with some pomegranate and coriander. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's recipe and will make this very soon. Whenever you guys make it, please don't forget to tag me and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.